Hello, my wonderful Cancerians, and welcome to Divine Enchantress. This is your November detail love reading. Let's see what messages come forth from my Cancerians in love. And for those who are new to the channel and those who have been with us, thank you so much for being there. And I appreciate all the love and support. So, Cancerians, this is your month of November detail love reading and also very general in nature. So, I completely apologize if it does not resonate with all of you, and if it does, then please do like and show your love and support to the channel. All right, so let's see what my dear Cancerians have in store for them. And you can also find me on Instagram, on Facebook, or you can connect to me for any of your personalized healing, distance healing slots, consultation, course admissions, therapies, however that it is. All right, we have ample of wonderful services that we provide, and we would love to see you all connect to us. Now let's see what messages come from my dear Cancerians in love. And we have over here, we have these. All right. We have the priest and the friend in reverse and the death card and the strength. All right. So Cancerians, I am extremely sorry, but maybe something is definitely in the month of November a huge major situation transition. Now the death card is not something you fear, but it definitely is a very mature card in tarot, that there is a certain transition or change that is for your highest good. Maybe you felt that when in love and relationships, now for some of you, you felt that you ought to have a severe relationship or a stable future with someone, and maybe those plans did not go the way that they had to, and there is some sorrow due to that. Maybe you realize that this person, however that situation is not actually the way you planned it to be, and now you have in the present situation a lot of strength to move on from this situation. So you have this inner strength, you have the ability, you're blessed with this, and you have to understand. But see, to get over sorrow and pain, Cancer, the one lesson that we learn in life is when bad or when times go rocky, when things hit us, we realize who is actually our friend and who is not. So the friend in reverse actually will, this situation will definitely make you understand or realize who is a true friend or a foe to you. All right, Cancerian. So for the month of November, there is definitely some transition or change which could be painful to some extent, but know that all you could do is go with the flow. I hope you all take care of your health, because this is a love reading. I am not sure, and I really hope and apologize if it does not resonate. I hope this is not something which resonates with any of you, but I definitely would want that you all are happy. And if you are in pain, then you get the strength to move on of this situation. Now Cancer, the other cards which we have, Tower reverse, definitely certain amount of loss, and the Hierophant, so need of discipline. So definitely, as I can see, Cancerians, there is some sort of loss that is happening for when it comes to, so for those who are in a relationship or who are in a commitment, you are moving on with all your strength. You are moving out and on from a situation or a relationship or a person wherein you realize that there was, and we have the Hierophant and the priest over here. So for most Cancerians in the month of November, I would definitely say that please understand, if there is some sort of guidance, or there are some answers or the source to your answers, if a disciplined, or there is some practical real proof which you are trying to not see or overlook or overshadow, please do not do that. So Cancerians, in the month of November, please take care of your health. There is definitely something sudden or a loss that you're moving out from, something which you felt was the exact right thing, but there's sorrow, and I hope that you realize and recognize this real strength, the strength of the people, the loyalty that they hold for you, and who actually is your friend is what you will realize. Now for some of you, I also feel that you could be feeling a little betrayed or deceived by your very own friends, or this person that was so close to you, and that is why, Cancer, I would like to say, with the Death card, if something is moving out, walking out of your situation, giving you a lesson or a realization, then do take it, do accept it, and understand that you have divine strength within you to overcome any possible clash of ideas or any possible outrage that you have been going through. So definitely you've been through major situations, and this ending is not a real end for sure. This is just a transition, because it's in a straight position. I would like to say it is a transition. If it is for you to, you have overcome this loss to an extent, and you will overcome this completely. And when you do that, when you use your strength, the right opportunities or the right people start to walk in, the right discipline or the order and structure that you so deserve or desire or you need. Actually, sometimes we don't deserve or desire such things, of course, but the kind of right guidance that we need, the kind of discipline that we need, comes from this phase in life. And I hope, Cancerians, that for most of you, this structure, this organization, and this clarity of what's right, what's wrong, comes forth to you. All right. I also, for some of you, I feel that this could lead to some arranged marriage scenarios in love. Or for some of you, this, if you're married or if you are already in a relationship, there could be major changes which may lead to more of balance, more of practical reality and stability. The right kind of wherein the rosy shades are out from the eyes, and the real picture, the real color, the color cut picture of things is visible, overcoming all sorts of loss as well. All right. So please have faith and stay strong, Cancerians. And for if this does not resonate, I apologize. If it does, please do stay in touch with the channel. And for most of you, I would like to say that thank you so much for all the love and support. This is your Divine Enchantress wishing you a very happy Diwali. Stay safe and connect to the channel again for your mid-month readings. I'll post them as soon as I can. All right. And lots of love and power to all of you. See you all again very soon. Bye bye.